Good morning everyone, and welcome to Reina's Designs. And today we are going to focus on doing something very rustic, but you know me, it's also got to be glam. So if this sounds like a tutorial that would interest you, please keep on watching. Okay, so today we are going to focus on galvanization. I have been finding little things at Dollar Tree that has actually been galvanized that I think will be perfect for a rustic look. And this is my first time actually doing something really rustic and glam, because these things that I've been finding lately have actually been more towards my taste, because you know I love my bling. So I found these planters that say flowers and garden. They also have planters that are written in French that says fleurs et planters. I think that's how you say it. So it's basically the same thing. You just have it in English and then you also have it in French. So I'll be doing a take on my one for French after this one. But basically how I'm going to start off is use some fringe to help decorate and embellish the galvanized container. So all I'm going to do is find where my fringe starts, which was really easy. And then I'm just gonna measure around the galvanized container and cut it. And when I come back, I'll show you the next step. So all I'm gonna do is take my hot glue gun, and I'm gonna go ahead and start affixing the tassel fringe onto the galvanized basin. I don't know why I'm having problems with my words today. Mine is on so many different things. So I'm gonna start on the end here and just to fix it. Keep in mind that this is metal, so you're working with hot glue. As we all know, heat and metal conducts it. So it's gonna be hot, so really try your best not to touch it, but also it's gonna take more time for cooling. So if you wanna kind of blow on it to help secure it, then you can definitely do that. You can also add some adhesive glue underneath it so that you'll have a long stability with the staying power of the tasseled fringe onto the galvanized item. So I'm just gonna go ahead and secure the tassels to the galvanized bin, and when I come back I'll show you the next step. Okay, so next I'm going to take some foam and just place it right here in the center, and I'm going to use a little bit of hot glue to secure it to the bottom, but just remember that this galvanized
queens and kings
bin is going to keep the heat of this
beginning
glue,
of how I actually
so you have to be very careful because the styrofoam will melt.
Unfortunately,
so I placed it in
the final portion
and just kind of cooling it a little bit,
corrupted, and you
and
can
now
tell
I'm going to place
in this video where the camera started
so that
doing
it'll be
some really
secure,
weird
but it
things
won't melt.
by changing the colors. But basically, I'm taking the vine that I got from the Dollar Tree and some of the green floral wire from Dollar Tree, cut off a piece of it and wrapped it around the vine,
keep on watching.
then twisted it together to create a pin, that little pin that I showed you, which I'm sticking down into the floral foam. So I'm going to be doing and using that exact same technique throughout this whole process of attaching this entire vine all the way around the vessel. So here again, you see I'm clipping off a piece of wire, which I dropped. So I'm going to clip off another piece of wire, and I'm going to place it where I would like it on the vine, twist it around itself to create a pin, and then stick the pin into the styrofoam. That way it's securing the vine exactly in the position that I needed, but because I've created this pin, it has flexibility after you have placed your florals in there. If you want to reposition the vine, you'll have a little bit of wiggle room to work with. So as I said, I'm just going to continue this all around the entire galvanized tub, and then once I'm done with that, I'll begin with my florals. Now, for my florals, I chose some peach peonies. I have some white lilies. I have a couple of different types of blue flowers, some blue roses, and then this other flower which did not come from the Dollar Tree. It came from either Epic Dollar or King Dollar, and they were just real interesting to me. They're very straight, but yet they have movement. So I'm going to continue building that centerpiece, and here is the final reveal. I hope you enjoy. And here she is in all of her splendor, rotating. I found that little thing at Five Below, and I think it was really cute just to have it rotate so that you could see all of the floral arrangement and all of the flowers used. I really enjoyed doing this project. It definitely calmed my nerves, and I hope it calmed yours as well. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and click the notifications bell. Comment down below, and most importantly, have an absolutely wonderful evening.